Hi, my name is Jolina Obligacion and I'm a nursing major at Clovis Community College. It was my first time in Greece and I really enjoyed visiting all the archaeological sites, and the islands was my favorite part. We also had a really great guide who showed us everywhere in Athens, and it was overall a really great experience.
Hi everyone, my name is Debashish Yadav. I attend Clovis Community College, and this is my first time in Greece. I'm a computer engineering major, and my favorite memory in Greece was visiting the Parthenon with all my peers and instructors.
My name is Jesse Weinert. I'm an English major and I go to Clovis Community College in California. My favorite thing about Greece, specifically Athens, is just being able to walk around the city and not needing to drive everywhere. I just love walking around, there being life, good public transport, things like that. And coming to Metropolitan College, I was really worried being a foreigner as an American coming to a foreign country. I didn't know what to expect, but they're really welcoming of me as an American, and I really appreciate that.
I'm Dr. Tiffany Sarkeesian, and I'm a communication studies instructor from Fresno City College, and we are in our third week here in Athens, and we've had such great experiences. First of all, the Acropolis was amazing. It's something that we've always seen in pictures. We've had a great hotel that was centrally located to Plaka and Monasteraki, some really important places here. And the Met has been so hospitable towards us and letting us use a classroom and teach here on a daily basis. And ultimately, one of the things that I have personally enjoyed has been the food of Greece. And spending time in our cooking class today was perfect because we got to see how some of my favorite dishes, specifically Greek salad, has been made. And this is just something that I'll be taking with me for the rest of my life.